All right, we're going to jump into the charts for this morning, Wednesday, July 13th, 2022. Going to look at the price action on the NASDAQ for the morning session. Pretty erratic day. The CPI data came out early this morning, about an hour before the market opened, and inflation looks to be higher than expectations. Um, Obviously, pretty clear. And so I'll zoom out real quick. Market freaked out, obviously, 1 hour before. I mean, this is a massive move. We got up here to almost 12,000 and then dropped almost 500. Yeah, a little over 500 points. Just insane. That was all pre-market. So zooming into market open, um, here's a 630 bar. Um, Nothing happening there. I'm not going to take the first bar of the day anyways. We bounced around quite a bit. And then we started to show some strength to the upside. Got the 2 minute support printing. 3 minute came in, and on the print of the 3 minute, we went long. It was a crazy impulse move, and it was my only trade of the day. But we came down, tested this level, bounced off of it. So technically, it's a 3 minute buy and a sweet spot all in one. Crazy impulse move. I got filled at, I think it was 606, maybe 606 and a half, and I had my 50-point target out there, and I hit it in 1 minute. They're just crazy moves today. So this was a little bit over a 50-point bar in 1 minute. So that was my trading for today. Kind of silly when you look back at it, but that's what happens when the market moves 500 points pre-market. And so that was my trading for the day. I didn't really follow along too much after that, but if we were to trade this trade per AbleTrend guidelines, we'd be long at that like 606 number. Is pulled back down here after it launched higher, went against you about 15 points, went higher again here. Two neutral bar stop would have been right in this area. Maybe locked in just under 50 points and you were stopped out. So, if you're following the trend per AbleTrend's guidelines, it's a 50-point trade there. And then the big one came in right after that. Technically, this was a sweet spot right here, and that was a loss. So you could knock off 20 points there, 15 points, depending on how big of a stop loss you used on that sweet spot. And so let's say 50 on the first, lose 20 there. So now we're looking at 30 points on the day, and then this big move came in. We'd be long at let's call it 67. Went against you, not even 20 points, and then just launched higher. We'd be staying in here, 2 white bar exit, staying in. What were we long at? We called it 67 and 667. This got all the way up to here, and we've been stopped out right in this area. So maybe call it 797. So that's about 130 points plus the 30 points we were up on the day. So about 160 points in this morning session, all before 8 a.m. West Coast time. So pretty wild day, pretty volatile day, and just kind of ripping strong moves. But if you're following the chart and you're acting like a robot and you're just doing what AbleTrend says, you can catch these big moves pretty consistently as long as you're following the chart. My day was pretty short, 1 minute trade, absolutely insane. I think it's hard when you have those trades to not get too used to it, because you can easily take this trade and sit in it for 45 minutes and then hit a 50-point profit target. And so it's hard to maintain that patience when you have trades like this. That's just kind of the battle that you deal with psychologically in trading. So yeah, good day for me. Definitely good day for any AbleTrend trader. If you're trading just the morning session, the rest of the day was not great at all. Bounced around. You're probably just kind of giving your profits back most of the day. But frankly, if you hit a home run like that, so up 30 here, and then another 130, you're up 160 points, and it's before 8 o'clock. Why are you still trading? Call it a day, close your computer down, and go enjoy yourself. There's no reason to kind of sit there the rest of the day and just give it back. So that was the review for Wednesday, July 13th.